Hello guys, in this video, I will teach you how does the page replacement algorithm work.
What is page replacement algorithm? In paging that executed by operating system for memory management, page replacement algorithm need to decide which page need to be replaced when new page come in. Whenever a new page is referred and not present in memory, page fault will occur. Assuming a paging screen with 3 frames is initially empty, now let us start to do the first in first out algorithm. First in first out is a method of processing and retrieving data. In FIFO system, the first data entered are the first one to be moved out. Give the question, page F is needed, but page F is not in main memory, so we put the page F into the first free frame. By the same way, we put the page A into second free frame and the page B into the third free frame. Next, page C is needed. The main memory is no more free frame, so we need to select a victim. The victim must be the first data come in or the oldest one. Since the page F is the first data come in, so we replace page F into page C, and then page 4 occur. Next, page A is needed. Page A is already in main memory, so no more page replacement and no page 4 occur. Next, page D is needed. Page D is also not in main memory, so we need to select a victim. Since the page A is the oldest data, so we select the page A to replace to page D, so the page 4 occur. Now let us enjoy the BGM and continue to learn.
Now we are about to discuss the optimal page replacement algorithm. Optimal page replacement algorithm is the technique to replace a page that will not be used for the longest period. Here we have a demand page of F. As we can see, there's no page F in main memory. So this is meant by page fault. Since there's a free page, we are going to place F into the first slot. Then, the same rules apply to A and B. A and B will be placed into the second slot and third slot. Here's come the important part. The memory are not longer free. It was occupied by page F, A, and B. A demand page of C need to page into the memory. So, the page replacement occur by page out a victim page. How to find the victim page in optimal page replacement algorithms? Let us see. Now, we need to find the page with the longest period before the next use of it. As we can see, there's a red font to show that the next use time of the page A and B, while F are not found in the process list. Thus, the F is the victim page. So, we replace the page F with page C. After that, patch A is needed. Patch A was able to find in the main memory, so there's no any patch fault or patch replacement. Then, patch D is needed, and it cannot be found in the main memory. So let us see which patch will be the victims. The patch that will be used first is A, following by C and B. So patch B will be replaced. Okay, then let us enjoy the BGM while learning.
Last, we going to explain about list listening use. List listening use algorithm will replace the patch that is not used for the longest period. Here is the demand patch of F. We should patch in F into the first slot of main memory. Then the rule apply to A and B. After that, the demand patch of C need to patch in the memory. So in order to choose our victim patch, we need to see which patch are not listening used. F, A, and B. We can that F is the least listening use. So we replace patch C to patch F. Then the patch A is needed. Patch A already in main memory, so no patch replacement and no patch fault. Now patch D is needed. But patch D are not in main memory, so we need to choose the victim patch again. There is C, A, and B. As we can see, the patch A is the most listening used and following by C, then B. So B will be selected as the victim patch. Now, once again, let us listen the BGM again.
Thanks for watching.